What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and when we can expect for us to delete that zero and hopefully return back to all-time highs. Now, remember, as always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, but rather I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And if you're new around here, consider smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribing to the channel if you are excited about Shiba Inu and the crypto bull run. So let's go ahead and dive in. First and foremost, the entire cryptocurrency market is looking amazing today. Absolutely amazing, as Bitcoin actually broke over $42,000 for the first time since Q1 2022 and up 4.1% on the day. ETH up 1.73%, but I'm loving MemeFi. I am loving MemeFi. Dogecoin up 6.7%. And of course, Shiba Inu ranks 16th now overall, surpassing Litecoin and stablecoin DAI, Bitcoin Cash, and Cosmos, currently ranked 16th by market cap, $5.3 billion as its overall valuation, up 11.45% on the week. So what in the world is going on with SHIB? Should we get excited? And are we anticipating this big bull run to be coupled with things like meme coins, especially Shiba Inu? Now, Watcher Guru published this article yesterday evening, and I thought it was actually really well put together. When will Shiba Inu delete a zero from its price? Shiba Inu has become one of the most prominent meme-inspired cryptocurrencies since its launch back in August of 2020. That's a story that you guys are already familiar with. The developers behind the decentralized token have worked to build an ecosystem of projects for the SHIB community. However, the recent launch of the Layer 2 solution Shibarium failed to significantly boost prices amid the ongoing crypto bear market. Now, one thing I want to make sure you guys keep in mind while we go through this video is when I look at Shiba Inu's overall market cap and its now Layer 2 solution as a part of its ecosystem, remember and keep in mind Polygon or Matic, the Layer 2 on Ethereum as well. Currently at a $7.4 billion valuation, down almost 65% from its all-time high. So again, make sure you guys keep that in mind, and then we'll go ahead and reference this back shortly. Now, brief history, we can skip over, and when will Shiba Inu delete a zero? Shiba Inu at the time of this article and the time of the recording is currently sitting at 9,000 Satoshis. So it's approaching that 10,000 Satoshi mark, which we know last time it was there was Q1 23 with the release of Shibarium. And of course, from its all-time high, which was 90,000 Satoshis, we still need to see a 1,000% run-up from current price today to see our return to all-time high. Now, according to the prediction, Shiba Inu is set to hit right around 10,500 Satoshis in March of 2024. And this was through cryptocurrency experts at Challengely that have provided a timeline for this specific milestone. Now, the analysis reveals that during the month, SHIB will be hovering right around a minimum of 72,000 or 7,200 Satoshis. However, the price can go either way depending on the whole market movement. So that's, again, experts, opinions, blah, blah, blah. They can say whatever they want. But all I'll say is this. If we look at Shiba Inu's ecosystem, right? And the reason I mentioned Matic on this specific video is for an obvious reason. For Matic specifically, it's a Layer 2 solution. That is the big utility that has driven people into using things like the Polygon network. But for Shiba Inu, we have NFTs. We have a MemeFi army, over 1 million investors that are all very speculative traders enjoying this. But the most important thing that I think will lead to some significant upside for SHIB and maybe even a return to all-time high is the piece about the Layer 2 solution. Now, for those of you that were a part of this viewer base or have been watching this channel since 2021, where we were talking about all things meme coins, Shiba Inu was the big emphasis, but we would talk about other ERC20 projects. And one of the biggest hurdles and biggest barrier of entries for people that wanted to trade meme coins was the gas fees. They were absolutely ridiculous, especially when the network is congested. On ETH, you're spending anywhere between $100 to $250, maybe even $300 just to transact and buy into a project. So let's say you had a $500 portfolio. 300 of that was going into gas. It's impossible for you to try to profit on a meme coin. But if we look at Layer 2 solutions like Polygon and Shibarium, where you're paying pennies on the dollar, I'm talking 50 cents, $1, 50 cents, $2, maybe even up to $5, say, at a really congested network, becomes a lot more reasonable. So I think, again, developers are going to be enticed to launch on Shibarium. There's that built-in burn protocol that's going to help reduce the circulating supply within Shibarium's layer 2 solution and their network. So you have new projects launching on Shibarium. You have new liquidity coming into the market because of the ETFs. So in my opinion, Q1 2024, not only will we delete a zero, but I think we will go back to significantly, at least 50%, if not even 70% from all-time high and beyond that. But remember, February Q1 earnings are something we need to make sure we're focused on. And in addition to the Q1 earnings, we need to also pay attention, hear me out, to the Bitcoin halving in April, because that's typically coupled with a bull run. And right now we're getting this preemptive bull run that's showing some significant volume, significant liquidity coming in to the market. Look at this, $39 billion of trade volume for Bitcoin. That's a 150% rise day over day. So be prepared, not surprised for what is to come. And I do appreciate your guys' support as always. So thank you so much for the returning subscribers, the new ones that are coming in. I'm seeing the numbers. It's been amazing. One of the biggest bull flags, in my opinion, in terms of, hey, we are entering into a bull run, is YouTube views. I do think, again, we see some people come in for the first time learning about crypto, trying to get in because it's exciting. We're outperforming other equity markets. We're outperforming the stock market. And again, it's a newer asset class that has a huge upside. So again, appreciate you guys' support as always. Thank you so much for tuning in. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.